In this video, I'll show you how to complete KYC, identity verification on HTX. Firstly, go to the HTX website or app or log into your account. Locate the verification or account settings option, usually found in your account dashboard. Click on the Verify Now button to begin the KYC process. You will be asked to fill in your personal details including full name, date of birth, nationality, and residential address. Upload a clear photo or scanned copy of a government-issued ID such as passport, national ID card, or driver's license. You may be required to take a selfie holding your ID or perform face verification through a webcam or smartphone camera to match your face with the provided ID. HTX will review your submitted documents. This process can take from a few minutes to several days. All you have to do is wait until they verify your account. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.